Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on off battery saver, Life360. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to access the battery saving setting in the Life360 app and turn it on. If you're trying to reduce battery usage while using the app, this setting can be helpful. Just keep in mind that battery saving features may sometimes affect how frequently location updates are shared, so it's a good idea to use the option that best fits your needs. To begin, open the Life360 app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can clearly see the main screen and available menu options. If you're not already signed in, you may need to complete that first before continuing, but once you're inside the app, the rest of the process is very straightforward. Next, look for the battery optimization option and tap on it. This is the setting that controls battery saver behavior within Life360. Depending on your device and app version, the wording or placement may look slightly different, but you'll want to select the option related to battery optimization or battery saver. After opening that setting, tap Turn On. This will enable battery saver for Life360. Once selected, the app should update the setting right away. In some cases, you may see a confirmation on screen, or the button itself may change to reflect that battery saver is now active. If your goal is to turn battery saver off instead, you'll generally follow the same path by opening Life360, going back to battery optimization, and selecting the available option to disable it. The exact wording may vary, but the location of the setting should remain similar. As a helpful tip, after changing battery-related settings, it's a good idea to give the app a moment to refresh. You can also return to the same screen to verify that the setting shows the status you want. This can help ensure the change was saved successfully, and that's all there is to it. By opening the Life360 app, selecting battery optimization, and tapping Turn On, you can quickly enable battery saver whenever needed. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process clear and easy to complete.